Hey guys, so what you're going to be looking at to start off with is we are going to be looking at multivariable linear systems, aka systems of equations that have at least 3 rows. So what you see here is this is called row echelon. So think that maybe the echelon bike, that's a new thing. But triangular or row echelon because it forms that triangle. If you notice, the top one is x, y, and z. The second one is y and z. And the last one is z. To solve, I can take that, plug it into there, and then now that I have z and y, plug it into the top and solve. So once the system's in the form of row echelon, we can find the actual solutions by substitution. So if you look, the final equation is z equals 2. So that means I'm going to then plug z equals -2. I'm going to plug -2 in for z. And then I get y minus 8 equals -5. I move that 8 over and I get y equals 3. So now I have y and z. I'm going to plug them in to here and then solve. Now, when you write the solution, you could also write it as 4, 3, -2. As you guys used to write, x and y would be like 4 and 4 or whatever. You can also write it in that format or just x equals, y equals, and z equals. We're going to start to solve these without the variable showing. So it's going to get pretty tricky using something called Gaussian elimination, but I'm going to teach it to you first with the variables in it, and then we're going to take the variables away, and you guys are going to learn how to do it without. And I honestly think it's tricky at first, but then it does make your life a whole lot easier.